Hi, my name is George Gray from Pirate Radio, and of course a lot of people know me as the Elvis guy. I have a big band, we do a lot of big concerts, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about something that's even more important, and that's the youth of Weld County. Specifically, the Boys and Girls Club of Weld County. I'm here representing the Pawl Club, and there's going to be a big dance competition in July. You don't want to miss this, and I'm asking for your support by simply going to the Boys and Girls Club of Weld County website and make a donation. This is going to be extremely different for me. As you know, being the Elvis guy, I basically just swivel my hips, which you can't see right now. I'm actually going to be moving around the stage a little bit. Go to the website, Boys and Girls Club of Weld County, make a donation by voting any amount. I'd like to see somewhere around that $20 to $50 would be perfect. And the more votes I get, of course, the more money I get. No, that's not true. The money goes to the kids. And it's all about the kids, isn't it? Particularly after last year, a lot of kids fall through the cracks, but we can bring them back through the Boys and Girls Club. I need you to participate.